Hello everyone. Today we will study inserting audio and video in PowerPoint. PowerPoint allows you to add sound to your presentation. In PowerPoint, you can customize sound options so you can play sound you want or the way that you want. In PowerPoint, you can insert a movie from a file on your computer or from Microsoft Office Clip Organizer. In PowerPoint, you can add sound to give importance to certain points. Music or sound can be added from the file saved on your computer or your own recorded sound or from CD-ROM. Here are steps to insert sound from a file. Select the slide where you want to insert sound. For example, here we want to insert sound in our slide. Then click the drop down arrow on the sound button in the media clip group on insert tab. Here in insert tab in media clip group we have sound button. Click on that button. Here we have four options: sound from file, sound from clip organizer, play CD audio track and record sound. Select the option sound from file. Here you will see dialog box will appear. Then locate and select the desired sound file. Which sound audio file you want to insert, click on that sound and click here on OK button. You will see Microsoft Office dialog box will appear. How do you want the sound to start in sounds slideshow? Automatically or when clicked? That means when you want to play this audio clip automatically, that means when slideshow will start, this sound will be started automatically. Or when clicked, that means when I click on mouse button, then this audio clip will be played. Choose the desired option. For example, here we have choose when clicked. A small icon of speaker will appear on the slide. Here you will see this type of icon will appear. You can resize this icon from here. Now press the F5 to view the slideshow or double click on the speaker icon to play the sound. Here you will click on this, double click on this speaker icon and your sound will be played. Next, here next inserting inbuilt sound. You want to insert sound from clip organizer. Then first select the slide where you want to add sound. For example, here we want to insert our audio clip, then we will click here. Then same in the insert tab in media clip group, click on sound button. In the sound button here select sound from clip organizer. We will choose sound from clip organizer and you will see dialog box task pane will appear here. Here search for. You will type the keyword for which audio file you want to find out and click on go button. You will see here results में you have clip art, photographs, movies and sound. You have selected sounds. Here by default audio clips are presented. Click on the desired audio clip. Here for example you want to insert this audio clip. Same, how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow? Automatically or when click? Choose the desired option. Here you will see a small icon of speaker will appear and your audio will be inserted in the slide. In the same way, you can record your own sound from the option record sound. In the record sound option, you can record your own sound option and the audio will be inserted here and you can play that audio. Or you can play CD audio track. Here you can play your CD audio. That means clip selection. Start at the track from where you want to start the CD and at the track on which track you want to end that audio loop until stop. That means it will continuously repeated. And sound volume, from here you can adjust your sound volume. You can increase or decrease your sound or hide sound icon during slideshow. That means when you start slideshow, either you want to show your sound icon or you want to hide your sound icon. From here you can hide your sound icon and click on OK. So in this way you can insert audio in your slide. Next is inserting movie or video clip. You can add movie or video clip from Microsoft Clip Gallery or from a file on your computer. In the same way you have inserted sound, in same way you can insert video in your slide. Steps to insert a movie from a file are: first, select the slide where you want to insert the movie. You will click on the slide where you want to insert the movie. Then click on the drop down on the movie button in the media clip group on the insert tab. On insert tab you will see here media clip group and you have movie button. Click on the movie button. There are two options. Here you will see there are two options, movie from file and movie from clip organizer. Select movie from file. Here from here you will choose movie from file and insert movie dialog box will be appear. From here locate and click the file you want to insert from your computer. You will choose that video clip you want to insert and click on OK button. Here same, how do you want the movie to start in slideshow, automatically or when clicked? For example here we choose automatically. Then your video will be inserted here and movie tool tab and picture tool tab appear on the ribbon. From here when you will choose this you will see here format and option are available on the ribbon and you can click on this option to customize the video. To preview the movie, how you will preview your movie? Select the movie on the slide and click on preview button. From here you will click on preview button and you will see your video clip will be played. From here you can play your video. To start slideshow, here press F5. You will see your inserted audio and video will be played in the slideshow. So you can insert audio and video in PowerPoint. Here you will see here in the insert tab in media clip group in movie option, same we have inserted file movie from file. In the same way you can insert movie from clip organizer. You will see search for, type the keyword for which related video file you want to find and click on go button. You will see here different media files. Click on the desired option, desired media file type which you want to insert and you will see here icon will appear. So in this way you can insert audio and video in your slide. And when you will select this video, you will see there are two options, format and option will appear on the ribbon. In format you can format this video. That means you can adjust its brightness, contrast, regular, compress, change, reset, or you can change picture styles. From here there are different styles. You can change picture styles. You will see here picture styles are changed. You can change here from here picture shapes. You can change picture border. You can change picture effect. From here there are different effect preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges. Here you will apply on desired effect. Bring to font, if you want to bring out this video in front, send to back, selection pane, and next alignment left, alignment center, alignment right, alignment top, alignment middle, bottom, and so on. From here you can crop this video file. From here you can resize this video clip height and width. You can increase or decrease height or width. From here you can resize it. Here in the option you can preview, you can set slideshow volume. From here play movie automatically or when clicked or play across slide. You can choose the desired option. Hide during show, when you will play slideshow you want to hide this video or you want to show this video. Play full screen, loop until stop, that means it will repeated continuously. Bring to front, send to back, selection pane, alignment, height and width. So you can customize your video clip in format and option buttons available on the ribbon.